Top 200 Secrets of Success. Session 2. Secret number 11. Light a candle beside you when you are reading in the evening. It is most relaxing and creates a wonderful, soothing atmosphere. Make your home an oasis from the frenzied world outside. Fill it with great music, great books, and great friends. Secret number 12. To enhance your concentration and powers of focus, count your steps when you walk. This is a particularly strong technique. Take 6 steps while taking a long inhale. Hold your breath for another 6 steps and then relax for 6 steps. If 6 steps is too large for your breaths, do whatever you feel comfortable with. You will feel very alert, refreshed, internally quiet, and centered after this exercise. So many people allow their minds to be filled with mental chatter. All peak performers appreciate the power of a quiet, clear mind which will concentrate steadily on all important tasks. Secret number 13. Learn to meditate effectively. The mind is naturally a very noisy machine which wants to move from one subject to another like an unchained monkey. One must learn to restrain and discipline if one is to achieve anything of substance and to be peaceful. Meditation for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening will certainly provide you with exceptional results if regularly practiced for 6 months. Learned sages of the East have been advancing the many benefits of meditation for over 5,000 years. Secret number 14. Learn to be still. The average person does not spend even 30 minutes a month in total silence and tranquility. Develop the skill of sitting quietly, enjoying the powerful silence for at least 10 minutes a day. Simply think about what is important to you in your life. Reflect on your mission. Silence indeed is golden. As the Zen master once said, it is the space between the bars that holds the cage. Secret number 15. Enhance your willpower. It is likely one of the best training programs you can invest in. Here are some ideas to strengthen your will and become a stronger person. Number one, do not let your mind float like a piece of paper in the wind. Work hard to keep it focused at all times. When doing a task, think of nothing else. When walking to work, count the steps that it takes to get all the way to the office. This is not easy, but your mind will soon understand that you hold its reins and not vice versa. Your mind must eventually become as still as a candle flame in a corner where there is no draft. Number two, your will is like a muscle. You must first exercise it and then push before it gets stronger. This necessarily involves short-term pain, but be assured that the improvements will come and will touch your character in a most positive way. When you are hungry, wait another hour before your meal. When you are laboring over a difficult task and your mind is prompting you to pick up the latest magazine for a break or to get up and go talk to a friend, curb the impulse. Soon you will be able to sit for hours in a precisely concentrated state. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the greatest classical physicists the world has produced, once said, "If I have done the public any service, it is due to patient thought." Newton had a remarkable ability to sit quietly and think without interruption for very long periods of time. If he can develop this, so can you. Number three, you can also build your willpower by restraint in your conduct with others. Speak less. Use the 60-40 rule. Listen 60% of the time and speak a mere 40%, if that. This will not only make you more popular, but you will learn much wisdom, as everyone we meet every day has something to teach us. Also, restrain the urge to gossip or to condemn someone who you feel has made a mistake. Stop complaining and develop a cheerful, vital, and strong personality. You will greatly influence others. Number four, when a negative thought comes to your mind, immediately replace it with one that is positive. Positive always dominates over the negative, and your mind has to be conditioned to think only the best thoughts. Negative thinking is a conditioned process whereby the negative patterns are established over and over. Rid yourself of any limitations and, uh, and become a powerful positive thinker.